How to renew your driver license on VicRoads app. Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to renew your driver's license using the VicRoads mobile app. First, open the VicRoads app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available in both the App Store and Google Play. Log in using your VicRoads account. From the main menu, tap on License Renewal to start the process. You'll be asked to confirm your personal details like your name, address, and phone number, and make sure all the information is correct. Next, choose how long you want to renew your license, for usually 3 or 10 years. Pick the option that suits you best. You'll need to answer a few questions about your health. This is to ensure you're medically fit to drive. Now, review everything you have entered. If all looks good, proceed to make the payment using your preferred method. Once your payment is complete, you'll see a confirmation message and receive a digital receipt. Your new license will be mailed to your address shortly.